So we're at the Carpenter's Boat Shop. I'm Kim Orr, the director of the boat shop, and the boat that we have there is one that was probably used as a fishing boat or a tender to something further down east on the coast here in Orland, Maine.
I'm Darren Carlucci. We're at the Carpenter's Boat Shop, and this is a Cranberry Island skiff.
I want to paint this boat using watercolor, so I'm going to start out with pencil to try to get the basic lines right. And they have to be pretty accurate because I'm going to be painting transparently and painting around those lights, washing in the big shadows and working my way to the warm and cool. All the up-facing planes inside the boat are cool, and the parts of the boat that are facing down toward the ground are relatively warm. I've always been fascinated by boats that are stranded on dry ground. This one will never see the water again. It's so old and it's been sitting in the sun so long. To me, it looks like a beached whale or a skeleton of some kind of sea creature that has washed up on the shore. Once I establish the big areas of light and shadow, I can go in with a very fine brush and work out some of the small details within the light and shadow. I've removed the green almost entirely in order to focus on light and dark and warm and cool. And I'm pushing that contrast between the light and the shadow, making the shadows even a little darker and the lights even a little lighter. I'm using a little bit of gouache at the end just to get a few of the highlights.
Oh, it's a grasshopper.
Hi.
Hey, how's it going? Yeah, I just did a quick watercolor sketch of this guy here, the lawn ornament, I guess as it's known.
Yeah.
If you want to take home a 6-course meal of instruction, check out my video, Watercolor in the Wild. Okay, thanks for watching. You might want to check out my website or subscribe to my channel. And then here's a playlist with more good stuff and a video that continues the story. So check them out and share with your friends.